Hello, Weld County. My name is Joe. I run a website called AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roof claims for companies all over America. What I'm doing is I'm trying to help some of my customers get more customers for their businesses, So what we do is, if you go into the description, click the link in the description. It's going to take you to my website. Go ahead and watch that video, fill out that form, and then we're going to send someone out to check your roof. It's 100% complimentary. We'll take you through the full process. We'll show you the pictures that are on our phone of all the hail that's on your roof and all that. And then what we can do is we'll know if it's going to get approved by the insurance company or not. If it is going to get approved, then we'll take you through the full process. We'll set up an appointment with the adjuster. We'll show up. We'll do all the due diligence, check your roof with the adjuster, show them all the hail, everything. And if there's not enough damage, then what we'll do is we'll put you on a list. And the next hailstorms that come through, we'll give you another call. And we'll say, hey, I just want to check your roof again. You didn't have enough hail damage before, but you were on the line. Let's go ahead and do this. The thing is there's tens of thousands of people in your county that have gotten blasted with hail, and a lot of people haven't had their roofs checked yet. So go ahead and fill out the form, go into the thing, fill out the form, and we'll send someone out. They'll check your roof. It's so much better this way than having somebody knock on your door. So go ahead. Thank you so much for checking us out. Have a great day. Bye.